All right, so it's now coming up on 2 hours, 22 miles in 2 hours. And I was looking, and it appears that this truck was hauling lithium-ion batteries. The concerning part is there's some flames there, and if the batteries like ignite, this will be a really bad situation. And I guess that's why they initially closed the road. So one of two things is the case here. Either they extinguished most of the fire, or the batteries have not yet ignited. And I don't think that's the case, but I don't see any like evidence of like fire trucks, or I don't know, just kind of crazy. So I don't know what this truck driver was thinking when he apparently was trying to do a U-turn or something and rolled over, hauling lithium-ion batteries. Even the police are like set way back there. They won't even come close. So that's wild. I don't see any fire trucks. I don't see any, oh, there's some holes in the bottom. I bet that did ignite. Yep, those are lithium batteries in there burning. Look, they got like hazmat crews out here. This is what they've got a whole like command center set up as they wait for this lithium fire to stop burning. It's pretty crazy. Wow.